Good morning, y'all. It is December 28th. It's about 6:30 in the morning, and gone a couple miles and just stumbled upon this. So I guess that's 2,000 miles to the end of the trail. So that 2 now becomes a 1. So that's pretty cool.
There is a house in Sin City they call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor boy, and God, I know I'm one. My mother was a tailor. She sewed my new blue jeans. My father was a gambling man down in Sin City.
It's a shame there's really not a view this way. You can kind of look at this picture and kind of see some of the things I've been over. So Chiovald, and then I'm not really sure about through here, but there's where I was yesterday at Shuck Stack, sorry. And then I did go over Thunderhead, and then I guess I've made my way through this way. So pretty cool.
Is when he's on a drunk. I've got one foot on the platform, the other's on the train.
Pretty creative way to get over a fence. All right, pretty big milestone for me. We have made it to Newfound Gap. This might be the most dangerous part of the trip, is crossing this road. So, it is crowded. That guy was right. This place is full of muggles. Whatever that means. Alright, so just made it into Gatlinburg. Thanks to Linda and Dave for a ride down. Gatlinburg is absolutely nuts. Note to self, avoid this place from Christmas to New Year's. It took us an hour from Newfound Gap to get down here. We probably sat in traffic 30 minutes just to get out of the park. So it is insane. So I dropped my pack off at the Nottahala Outdoor Center. They're going to hold it for me for a little while. And I'm going to go get something to eat and hopefully watch a little basketball. So I'll check in with you in a little while.
So that I'm one.
All right, quick little nightly wrap up. It is December 28th. It's about 8:15 in the evening. I am at the Lodge of Legends Hostel. We went from Derrick's Knob to Newfound Gap today. It's about 18 miles. A lot of cool milestones, I guess, in that little stretch. He went over Klingman's Dome, which is not only the highest point of the trail, but also at mile marker 200. So I've officially went over 200 miles, which is cool. What else? know, it's just neat going to all those places that I've already been to several times in that manner. So we got about 30 more miles of the park to go. So I don't know if I'll break that up into just 2 days or 3. So we're supposed to get out of here pretty early in the morning, about 8 o'clock. So I may be able to go a little bit further than what I originally thought, which would set me up to be done a day early on the 30th. So I'll give a shout out real quick to this hostel. It is so nice. I'll give you a quick little tour. I don't think they would mind that, considering it's a business, but I'm gonna flip the phone around. But they've got just everything you can need. This is all donation based, so you pay what you think. They've got clothes for you to wear to town if you don't have any. There's my bed. A quick little tour. There's just some resupply stuff. There's the laundry room. I've got some clothes going. Just a little commons area. So just super cool. Certainly beats staying in a hotel. So, but I am going to get off here and do a few more chores, and then I'll be calling it a night, and we will catch up with you tomorrow back at Newfound Gap. So, good night.